Hi, hello, bonjour, hola. Hi guys, love you all. We may stuck in some superstitions and maybe blind beliefs of real world. Let us know about quantum world. It's really incredible and can change your view. Get ready for a whirlwind tour of superposition, entanglement, and incredible possibilities. These kind of things can show the quantum valves unlock. At the quantum level, energy and other particles come in discrete packets like tiny steps instead of a smooth ramp. Particles like electrons can act both waves and particles. It depends on how we look at them. Double slit experiment shows in 1801 given by Thomas Young idea of wave particle duality of subatomic particles. We apply this idea given by Max Planck, the who gave the fundamental quantum theory in 1900. If you change the way you observe an incident or an issue, it changes the way you think. Imagine a quantum particle like electron, proton, neutron existing in multiple states at the same time, like a coin spinning in the air, both heads and tails until it lands. This is crucial to quantum valves. Briefly restate the spinning coin or a dimmer switch that can be both on and off simultaneously. Think a regular valve controlling water flow, but at the quantum level, we are controlling the flow or state of individual quantum particles like photons and electrons. Manipulating quantum particles like superposition using things like lasers, magnetic fields, or specially designed nanostructures. We can essentially switch or direct these quantum particles. These quantum particles are most important and essential for quantum computing and latest digital world. Quantum theory and quantum theory is also a specialized part of physical science. You know what? String theory given by Gabriel Veneziano in 1968 after 70 years of fundamental quantum theory given by Max Planck. It's about quantum field theory. You know what? The subatomic particles, electrons and protons and neutrons are also made up of a tiny wave natured things like strings, and they move in one dimension. These strings made up of so many other kind of particles. Still the investigation is going on. In our upcoming video we're going to understand about this quantum world and quantum mechanical theory and quantum field theory with the help of all the scientists contributions, and how do you understand and how do we go through this kind of very complex thing in physical science. You know what, guys, this quantum theory is about subatomic particles like electron, protons, and neutrons, and how they are also made of very tiny particles, the strings theory and double slit experiment, and about the nature of quantum particles and how do they exist, the wormholes and the black hole, the existence of gravity, all those things may be connected together. We are going to know all these things in our upcoming videos. Okay, in this video, so many interesting topics are there, but we discuss about quantum entanglement, a mind-bending phenomenon. Doesn't have direct, easily observed everyday example like a coin flip. However, it is a fundamental part of the quantum world. Implications for quantum computing and quantum communications. Electrons and positron collide. They annihilate each other, producing two photons that travel in opposite directions. These photons are entangled, meaning that if you measure the direction of one, you instantly know the direction of the other, even if they are far apart. It got puzzled? Okay, let me give one example. Entangled gloves, hand gloves. Imagine you have a pair of gloves, one right handed and other left handed. If you put them in two separate boxes, you shuffle the boxes and ask a friend to open one. If they find a right handed glove, you know without opening the other box that it contains a left handed glove. So simple. This is simple analogy of how entanglement works. where the globes are entangled and their states are correlated. So many interesting phenomena like quantum cryptography and quantum teleportation. So many interesting things we have with respect to this quantum world, and of course, given by Gabriel Venetian in 1968, quantum field and string theory, given by Thomas Young, the basic idea of string theory. You know what, guys? Try to understand all these concepts and discuss in the next video. Now it's time to share interesting facts. In 1930, Albert Einstein and Erwin Schrödinger got puzzled when they discovered firstly and witnessed about the quantum entanglement based on their theoretical ideologies. So, whatever it may be, a line aspect who got the Nobel Prize and who called as the father of quantum entanglement from France. He did so much information about quantum entanglement.